What? Intro video. 2,999. Actually, I think we got more than that, but
2,999
videos. Probably more like 4,000. I don't know. All right, Kayla's gonna sit here and mind the boat, and I'm gonna go walk up this ditch and see if I can't scuba dive and get down there and find me an arrowhead. How you doing, Kay? Huh?
I'm excited to see you scuba dive.
Okay, I'll be back.
Trump during the season premiere last night, while Kate McKinnon kept her role in Democratic Hillary Clinton.
It's been slow lately, folks. I think that's the last couple I found. Actually, I went out and I found this piece of hematite and a couple other tools. I don't know where they're at right now. Well, if we'll be able to see the workings on this or not out here in the sun. But man, they went to so much trouble to get that baby all smoothed down. And then this morning, I went out and I found this one here. Walking, I got some in situs of it on Facebook. I didn't have my camera with me. That's a cute little guy. Jim George, doggone it. You're gonna have to leave me your phone number. I seen you here yesterday and I tried to catch you before you left. So you're already on down the road. Is that right, Willis? My first gallon is just about to fill up since I got rid of everything. All right, I guess I'll go watch Kyle. I'll get back with you guys soon. Later days.